Here's how to add a frame in Figma, one of the most essential skills for any designer. To select the Frame tool, look at the bottom center of your Figma window for the rectangle with a dotted outline icon and click it, or simply press the F key on your keyboard. This is the fastest way to activate the Frame tool instantly without clicking anything. Once the Frame tool is active, your cursor will change to show you are ready to draw. Click and drag anywhere on the canvas to create your frame. Make it as large or as small as you need. You can always resize it later by clicking and dragging the edges. Frames in Figma are the foundation of every design. They act as containers that hold your text, images, icons, and other elements together. Think of them like pages or sections. A header frame, a body frame, a footer frame. Each one keeps your design organized and easy to manage. Once your frame is placed, you can start building inside it immediately. If this helped you out, hit that subscribe button for more straight-to-the-point tutorials on step-by-click.